Hey, welcome back, Math 8. So today you are doing graph from slope-intercept form. So you're going to notice again, we have these equations in y equals mx plus b. In this case, you might notice the m is that negative again. If you remember from yesterday or the last video, a negative in front of the number means a slope of -1. And notice that this is a -6, not a +6. That just means that your y-intercept is at -6 instead of +6. So let's graph this one. We start with the y-intercept. Whenever we graph, we always start with the y-intercept. In this case, it's -6, so we're going to go down. Here's our y-axis. We need to find -6, which is all the way down here. And we're going to put our first dot right there. Then, our slope of -x. So how we do this is we simply go -1. And we want to make everything into a fraction. So how could I make a whole number into a fraction? We're just going to put a little line under it, and we always put it over +1, which means we're going to go down 1 and then over 1. So from this point, we'll go down 1 to -7 and over 1. And when we say over 1, we always go to the right, and we put 1 right here. So this is where our second dot goes. Okay? Then we just play connect the dot. We simply draw a line between those two, and you can see my little blue line right there, and that's how you do it. It's really just that easy. But we're going to do 2 more examples just to make sure we got this. So again, y equals mx plus b. So my slope is -1/4. My b, which is always what I start with, is +6. So on the y-axis, we start at +6, which is right here. Put a dot on +6 at the y-axis because that's what our b term is right here. Okay. Now my slope means I go down 1 over 4. So from here, I will go down 1 to 5 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we always start from the y-intercept and then we go down and then over the 4 that it would be, and we put our dot there. Then we just play connect the dots. We draw a line between those two, and that's what that line should look like. All right, one last example. All right, here we go. Y equals mx plus b. You'll notice that our plus b is actually a -7. So on our y-axis, we go down to -7. We put a dot right there on -7. Our slope is 2. Remember, we always said our slope should be a fraction. So our fraction would be 2 over 1, correct? I always put a whole number over 1. Which means +2 means from here we're going to go up 2 over 1. Negative numbers mean we go down. Positive numbers mean we go up. So we're going up 2 over 1. Put our second dot right there. And then we just draw our line between those 2 points right there. That's all there is to it. Good luck to you. We'll see you later.